Understandable English podcast.
Learn English the easy way.
I opened my eyes this morning, looked around my apartment, and for a second I genuinely thought I had been robbed. But no, it was just me living like this.
That's a very dramatic way to describe your own room.
It's not a room, it's a situation. A full situation.
Welcome back to the Understandable English podcast, where I apparently have to negotiate with Bryan before he cleans anything.
Negotiate is a strong word.
It's accurate, though.
Okay, but listen. I was going to clean today.
You say that every week.
This time I meant it emotionally.
That's new.
I just looked at my floor and thought, maybe chaos is part of my personality now.
No, that's just dust.
Harsh?
True.
If you're listening and your room is also slowly becoming part of your identity, tell us in the comments. I need moral support here.
That's our first engagement moment, and it's already concerning.
People understand me.
That's what worries me.
So Jessica came over yesterday and just stood in my apartment silently.
I didn't stand silently. I was calculating.
That's worse.
I was trying to understand how one person can own this many random objects and still not find their table.
The table is there somewhere.
Somewhere is doing a lot of work in that sentence.
I offered you coffee and you said, no thank you, I fear the kitchen.
I stand by that statement.
But here's the thing. I don't even see the mess anymore. It's like my brain filters it out.
That's called adaptation.
Or survival.
Same thing in your case.
Wow.
So I told you we are cleaning today.
Yes, you said it like a doctor giving bad news.
Because I knew you would resist.
I did resist.
You tried to figure out the cleaning energy first.
I needed emotional preparation.
For picking up socks?
They were emotionally heavy socks.
I don't think that's a thing.
Everything in my apartment has emotional weight.
That's actually the problem.
Okay, but when I started cleaning, I found things I forgot existed.
That's always the dangerous part.
I found a cable from like 2014. And did you keep it? Of course I did. What if I need it for emotional reasons?
That's not how cables work.
You don't know that.
I do.
I also found an old notebook where I wrote, New life starts Monday.
Let me guess. It was never Monday.
It was never even the same year.
That's impressive consistency in procrastination.
And then I got distracted for like 20 minutes just reading random notes.
So you didn't clean.
I cleaned emotionally.
That's not cleaning.
It is if you feel something.
No.
If you're listening and you ever got emotionally attached to random objects while cleaning, leave a like, because I feel personally attacked right now.
Second engagement moment. Very relatable for some reason.
Then you did something terrifying.
I made your bed.
You mean you changed reality in my apartment?
I changed your sheets.
Fresh sheets are dangerous.
How?
Because suddenly the whole room feels like you're supposed to be a better person.
That's the idea.
I didn't ask for character development.
You needed it.
I sat on the bed and just stopped talking.
For once.
The silence was loud.
That's called peace.
I don't trust it.
You will.
Then we opened the closet.
That was the real problem area.
I forgot I owned half of those clothes.
You said I might wear this someday about things from 3 different decades.
Time is flexible.
Not in your closet.
I also found a hoodie I thought I lost.
And?
I put it on immediately. I became emotionally attached again in 3 seconds.
That's why cleaning is slow for you.
But then something weird happened.
What?
The more we cleaned, the quieter my brain got.
Exactly.
Like, I could think clearly for the first time in days.
That's what I mean when I say cleaning is therapy.
I don't like that you're right about this.
I'm not right. I'm just observing your mental chaos.
That sounds worse.
It is slightly worse.
I think I said figure something out like 5 times while moving objects.
You were trying to figure out your life through laundry.
That's accurate.
It usually doesn't work.
But I also realized something.
Go on.
I don't have a cleaning problem. I have a starting problem.
That's more honest.
Once I start, I actually don't hate it.
Most people don't.
Why is starting so hard, though?
Because your brain prefers avoiding discomfort over fixing it.
That sounds like a personal attack?
It's psychology.
Same thing.
Not really.
Anyway, halfway through cleaning, I started feeling weirdly proud.
That happens.
Like I was building a new version of my life.
Or just putting things away.
Let me dream.
I noticed your mood changed completely.
Yeah, it felt like I could finally slow down without guilt.
That's the fresh sheets effect.
Wait, that's a phrase.
It is now.
Write that in your notes, everyone.
We'll get to vocabulary later.
Then Jessica told me something that changed everything.
Oh no.
You said cleaning your space is like cleaning your mind.
I said it more casually than that.
But it hit me.
I know.
And I hate that it makes sense.
That's usually how useful ideas feel.
After that, I actually started finishing things.
Slowly, yes.
We even vacuumed.
A rare event.
I felt like I unlocked a new level of adulthood.
You didn't.
Let me enjoy the illusion.
Fine.
Then you told me your side of things?
Yes.
I was not prepared.
I noticed.
Because apparently you clean differently.
I do.
You don't clean like me.
No.
Explain.
For me, cleaning is not a big emotional event. It's just maintenance. Like breathing for a room.
That sounds slightly unsettling.
It's peaceful.
You said you actually enjoy it.
I don't enjoy it. I just don't resist it.
That's not normal.
It is very normal.
Not for me.
I know.
You said when your space is messy, your thoughts feel messy too.
They do.
That blew my mind.
It's not dramatic. It's just pattern recognition.
You also said you'd like the moment when everything is simple again.
Yes. When there's nothing out of place, my brain slows down.
That sounds like a different species.
Maybe I am.
You even enjoy making your bed.
I don't enjoy it. I just like the result.
Same thing.
No.
Close enough.
I also like the smell of fresh sheets.
Okay, that one I understand.
It feels like resetting the day.
Meanwhile, I was resetting my life by accident.
That's a very Bryan way of doing things.
I still don't get how you can just not be overwhelmed by mess.
I think I am overwhelmed. I just deal with it earlier.
That sounds efficient.
It is.
I prefer emotional denial.
I noticed.
But honestly, after cleaning, I felt lighter.
That's the point.
Like my brain had more space.
Exactly.
I hate that this works.
You're repeating yourself a lot today.
I know, I'm processing.
Let's move to vocabulary before you start attaching emotional meaning to the vacuum cleaner.
Too late.
Phrase 1. Figure something out.
Meaning, understand or solve something.
Example. I finally figured out why my room always gets messy so fast.
Phrase 2. Emotional attachment.
Meaning, strong feelings toward objects or things.
Example, I have emotional attachment to an old hoodie.
Phrase 3. Fresh sheets.
Meaning, clean bed sheets that feel new and comfortable.
Example. Fresh sheets always make me feel like I have my life together.
Phrase 4. Slow down without guilt.
Meaning, relax without feeling bad.
Example, after cleaning, I could finally slow down without guilt.
Phrase 5. Clean your mind.
Meaning, feel mentally clearer after organizing your space.
Example. Cleaning my room helps clean my mind.
Phrase 6. Start something.
Meaning, begin an activity, especially difficult ones.
Example, once I start cleaning, it's actually not that bad.
That's our vocabulary tour.
I'm starting to think my life is just vocabulary examples now.
That's a new level of self-awareness.
Okay, final thoughts before I emotionally attach to the mop.
Please don't.
Cleaning my apartment didn't just change my room. It kind of changed my head. I hate that you were right.
I'm not celebrating, I'm just observing.
All right, goodbye everyone. Go clean something or don't. I don't know anymore.
Goodbye, and maybe don't wait until your room becomes a personality.
Bye.
Bye.
So I was trying to figure something out with emotional attachment to my hoodie while refusing to start anything until I finally started cleaning and accidentally cleaned my mind. Which is annoying.
That's probably the most accurate thing you've said all day.